Hello student, in this lecture I will discuss some very important trigonometric identity. So first go with the trigonometric ratio of the sum and differences of two angles. Like if we have two angles like A and B, then what will be the sine of A plus minus B? And that will be sine A cos B plus minus cos A sine B. And what will be the cosine of cos A plus minus B? And this will be cos A cos B, but here the sign will be minus plus. That is, the for plus it will be minus and minus it will be plus. And here sine A sine B. Then what will be tan A plus minus B? And it is nothing but tan A plus minus tan B divided by 1 minus plus tan A tan B. And what will be the most important? Cot A plus minus B, and it will be nothing but cot B. Okay, so let's start with B first. That is the cot B into cot A minus plus, okay, minus plus 1 by cot B plus minus cot A. For tan A plus B, we have tan A plus minus B in the upper side and 1 minus plus tan A tan B in the lower side. But for cot A plus minus B, cot B cot A minus plus 1 divided by the cot B plus minus cot A. For this, remember, okay, cot B plus minus B. For minus, you can easily find out the difference here. For cot A minus B, it will be cot B cot A plus 1 divided by the cot B minus cot A. Since the cot B give the preference first, for this we in the upper side also we give rest in the cot B in the first, then cot A. Okay, so this is a very basic. Now we turn into more important, that is the if we have the this is the fourth basic, the ratio of trigonometric ratio of the sum of differences of two angles. And we have another two important, that is the if we have sine square A minus sine square B, and sine A and B are two different angles, then what it will be this. And very surprisingly, it is sine A plus B into sine A minus B, and cos square A minus sine square B is nothing but cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So sine square A minus sine square B is equals to sine A plus B into sine A minus B, and cos square A minus sine square B is equals to cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Okay, so now change to the formula for how to transform the product into sum. We are given a product and we have to transform it into sum for our convenience in calculation. So make this name as product to sum. Okay, like if we have 2 sin A cos B, then it will be simply sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. What is 2 cos A, not cos B first, take it sin B. What is 2 cos A sin B? It is nothing but, everything is same, take minus sign instead of plus, sin A minus B. So 2 sin A cos B is equals to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, but 2 cos A sin B is equals to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. And what is the 2 cos A cos B? And it is nothing but cos A minus B first, then plus cos A plus B. And if you take cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, then it will be same. But why I am write A minus B cos A minus B in the first before cos A plus B, and you will clear for the third point, that is the 2 sin A sin B. What is this? So it is nothing but cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Here you can't write cos A plus B in the first before and cos A minus B, because here the sign is negative. So just remember this important point, that is the 2 sin A sin B is equals to cos A minus B minus sin cos A plus B. We just emphasized for 2 cos A cos B in the form cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So just by the easy of remember this important note, okay, there is the cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and we emphasized for here also for 2 cos A cos B is equals to cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. So now if we have sum, okay, if we have sum, then how to change into product? Okay, like if, so the title will be sum or difference, not sum always, sum or difference to products. Like we have sin C plus sin D. What it will give? So it will give simply 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So and sin C minus sin D is nothing but, for sin here take cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. And what will be cos C plus cos D? It is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And what will be cos C minus cos D? Here it is important, that is the, here for sin plus it will be both cos, and minus, you know, it will be 2 sin, like 2 sin C plus D by 2, but here minus we have to consider sin D minus C by 2. Here it is very important. Everything is sin C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2 everywhere, but cos C minus cos D we have to consider sin C plus D by 2, but sin D minus C by 2. This is the very important. So we have to to twist in this simple identity of the product to sum or sum to product is that for 2 sin A sin B, we have to consider cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, and sum or difference to product like cos C minus D is equals to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So this is two are very important. So thank you.